Create a new usBIM.compare document. Set a title and file name. Import the IFC model with its different versions. Choose the old and new version. Start the processing phase for a full file comparison. View the model with respect to objects added, removed, changed. Navigate the model, set visibility, transparency levels, and color. View the report with its results. View differences regarding position changes and object geometries. Analyze the differences detected between the initial and final version in detail. Customize the report table. Export results in CSV, BCF, Excel formats.